Looking for a wiring harness that handles your off-road lighting without hassle? The YITAMOTOR 9ft wiring harness promises heavy-duty performance and reliable power for all your lighting needs. Whether it's LED, HID, or halogen, this kit is built to handle up to 300 watts with ease. I recently installed this harness on my Kubota BX23S tractor to power some lower lights. What stood out was the solid construction, 14-gauge wires wrapped in a waterproof thermoplastic PVC jacket. The harness includes a fuse, relay, and an illuminated on/off switch, all tested by professionals before shipping. The color-coded red and black wires made installation straightforward, no drilling required. It gave my setup a clean, professional look and worked flawlessly from day one. If you want a wiring solution that's flexible, durable, and easy to install, the YITAMOTOR harness is worth a look. Plus, it comes with a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee to ensure your satisfaction. Try it when you're ready and power your lights with confidence.